guys, I'm going to show you all how to remove the E46 fuel tank. So basically you have to disconnect the fuel hoses, 2 of them. I remove the whole pipe all the way to the filter. Got to disconnect.
It's all I can do. Wait till it's gone. Check till it's through. Hang around till I'm out. I won't lose control. This time I won't lose control. This time I'm over here. I'll sing along with you. Come sing along with me. I'll sing along with you. I'm over here.
So yeah guys, this is it. Tank out. So basically this hose is connected here, this end. This blue one that's here goes all the way, makes a little loop, goes out through there. This one is connected right there. So this one is blocked off, not sure why. Float switch to there, to the front of the vehicle. This one to the front of the vehicle. And I'm not sure why they blocked this off, but this is not an easy job. If your vehicle is on jack stands, you're going to struggle. It's not an easy job. I struggled while the car is on the rotisserie. Yeah, this is it. These pipes, if I'm not mistaken, they're going onto here. Need to figure that one out, but I don't want to do anything. I want to remove them and the clamps nicely and leave them here for now. So yeah, that's how you take the E46 tank